Stay true to my thing. And just tune to my thing. Chef Willie in the kitchen. Chefing up the same thing. Always got a new menu, new dish, new flavor and excitement. Watch this, Chef Willie in the kitchen again. Something new for you guys today. Some curry chicken. Best curry chicken I ever taste. Right way how to make curry chicken from scratch. Why am I wearing a mask? I just feel like it. Fashion. Chef Willie in the kitchen. Anything finger licking. Who them girl them say them love Chef Willie chicken. Food well finger licking. So you know guys, you know Chef Willie do it already. I always have to pick out this. Pick out all the fat, the excessive fat. I'm making curry chicken guys, similar to stewed chicken or baked chicken. I would do the chicken, I'll clean it same, but I'll probably leave a little more skin on the outer part, or if you frying it, that's different. But curry chicken, stewed chicken, and any type of chicken you make, where you gotta cut it up, malad chicken. Grab my knife, my kitchen chef will have a knife to make me well, which I done. Oh. So may I use that one for chop up the meat, and this for clean them up a bit. I have to know if you use a tool them. Jump on the mask, guys. Don't forget to wear the mask. Corona out there. Kill people. As you can see, chop up the chicken. So I'm gonna do it. Chop up the chicken to the level there. It must not excessive fat, no fat on it. Pick them off. Wash and drain this off and now. Put some lime juice and so I got some. These onions, guys, is the best. Shout out to the red onions, because they got a lot of nutrition and stuff in it, proteins and stuff you need. It's better than the other onions. You could Google it. I got some scallion and garlic. Heavy on the garlic and scallion and onions. I got a little piece of thyme. Thymes kill the flavor, but it also gives it the taste you need in the curry when you're making curry chicken, Jamaican style by Chef Willie. Peppers, I got one pepper in it. This pepper is really hot. Yellow, red peppers are the hottest, they said, but yellow is almost near to it. So I'm just gonna use, because I don't want my food to be too spicy and everybody can eat it. I love my food extra spicy, but not everybody do. So now go ahead. Up first, my meat is clean and everything. I'm gonna show you the seasoning Chef Willie use when he's cooking, when he's in the kitchen. First I grab and put some pimento seed in it. Some pimento seed. Pimento seed. Curry goat. Curry chicken. You put pimento seed in it, you see me? Some ground garlic powder. That sounds good. Garlic good for your curry, you see me? Look. Ground garlic. Sprinkle some over the top, make sure I'm loading. And join in. The top cover, you know, say, by the time you stir it, the bottom's gonna get a lot. You know, you put a little garlic powder, listen keenly guys, purpose, and then curry. That's it. Can't find my all-purpose seasoning, guys. No seasoning in my cupboard. Oxtail, fish, adobe, Caribbean cocktail seasoning like this now. This is an all-purpose cocktail seasoning. I add a little of this. On the top too, with the garlic powder. You see me? You don't want it This a Chef Willie style. Some do it. Some people just use curry only, you know, and them seasoning. Chef Willie do it like that. And guess what? Chop a little black pepper in it too. A little black pepper in it too. Brown pepper, black pepper, you see me? Look. Chop a little black pepper. Like. Not even just a dash of black pepper I just put on it. And then any curry powder, Indian curry powder is the best. But once you say Jamaican shit on it or Caribbean, I mess with it. Any curry powder I use, just buy the one here. Other day. The one I say hot. Hot, it done hot already too, so I guess that spices in there. I'm not putting no spices flavor in my seasoning yet. I got one pepper here. And I throw some curry all over it now. Full load with curry, cause curry, you want your food at the curry look and the curry flavor. So you load curry all over the top now. More than all the seasoning. See? Still have space around the sun of curry here. Alright, leave that enough, Chef Willie. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in. Rub it in, guys. Make sure it blend everywhere in your food. The smell curry seasoning is one of the strongest seasoning, guys. And so it stains. So you gotta be careful with the type of garments you wear and clothing when you're making curry in any form. Go ahead, start chopping up. The thyme, everything is already washed. The thyme, this piece you could just throw it in because you don't want it to last everywhere in your plate. And then the peppers, you cut them up. So invest in my subscribers and my followers. Keep following, share, subscribe, and recommend me to your friends. You know, you can watch and learn. Oh, you want to learn to make soy stew chicken? Go watch Chef Willie channel. You know, stuff like that. Entertaining, it's fun, and you learn at the same time. And you could go home, cook your food exactly like me. Trust me, and impress your significant other, your partner, anybody you're trying to impress or cook for or learn recipes. You could watch my channel and definitely tell people you could cook. You'll learn from the best. Yeah man, they can go on fry up a little bit. I don't even touch it. I'm gonna grab my big spoon or fork. You know, flip the top when I start smelling it fry. You can see it too. It's frying, you can smell it. You know, turn them a little bit. See color. Color. See that? Color is the texture me. So just flip them a little bit. Guys. Tell the ones that ain't flipping. Blood start coming out of chicken already, right there, okay. Then it's soft, already making soft. Curry chicken already, Chef Willie, chefing it up. True to my thing. You have to stay true to my thing. Don't switch up, stay true. You hear that? And just true to my channel. True. Chef Willie. You just watch out. Yeah, alone in there. Oh, I forgot, guys. I'm sorry. Forgot to tell you, my dog is here. Yeah, I got a dog. In the kitchen, chilling. Big surprise. He's sleeping. He love when I cook. He just lay there. Smell the curry in the air. No, so when the food done, I'm done eat my food. I'm gonna choke my bone. I'm done choke my food. When the big dog done eat, then he could eat. You already know it. Oh, got my mask on. Yeah, that curry strong in that place, man. Right, Moose? Moose, I catch fly. Curry strong. Alright, I'm gonna see how the pot are running now. Look, it starts producing own water at the same time, guys. You know? One full length of the video, I go now how I cook curry chicken from scratch. Nothing to change. It's that part of the blood. Flip him a little bit now, make him go down there. Flip that one, make him go down there. Flip them, make it go down there. Flip them, you feel like them are burn now. See, color start coming brown. Get a little brown curry look. Flip them a little bit. And make the other side flip them again. And so it produces its own water, guys. I'm afraid to move the meat around. So next I could get a little burn on the fire, you know. So I still got my onions and stuff there now. I shake him and left him in that pot. You know? Smells so good. Anything where you see me use, guys, that's all I use in my food. That's all. Anything you hear I said, don't ask me about no salt. I don't put no salt in my food yet. I don't put no salt in my food. It's just the garlic powder, almost tenderized. You make that one cook down. You leave a little seasoning. When that dried out and dry out, you add your additional seasoning and flavors. That's how you make it go down to gravy now. And you taste it. When you put that in there, make it cook a little bit, you taste it. See where your flavor is at. That's the only time I start tasting my food. I know I'm gonna start tasting and touching up here. Chef Willie clean. And then I'm gonna add a little to it and then taste it. Taste it, yep. Add a little and taste it a little bit. Just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put that when we put this in and everything, simmer down. You're gonna see, just watch and follow instruction. You can't go wrong. You see me? Make that go on high pressure down. As I say back. Like have enough water. After it didn't, you turn it down. And turn it back up. That pressure down. You see me? Stir him now and then. Because you don't want your food burn. But when it dry all the way out, check him again. Sure nothing not stick. The meat starts spread out all over. The part that look like it needs, the hard part of the meat, the lump, the heavy part of the meat, you put that in the middle, put it down and make bones, everything go down in the water. So as you can tell, it's drying it down low. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and add this to it from now. I'm not even gonna wait. Because it's almost done. And I want my food to burn. Add my peppers and my tomatoes and my onions. Boop. And taste it now a little bit from now. You see how it come out. Go over here and taste my food. You can taste curry, but it's sweet. So when you see that, it tastes curry. It's a little sweet, curry sweet. So the peppers and stuff I'm adding, you don't want to make too spicy because you know I got company and other people eating it. You got to suit everybody with your food. So I add that in. I'm gonna go ahead and tap a little more black pepper on top. Get a little more spice because that tastes a little sweet. But remember, the peppers and stuff that I just pour in it had pepper in it. So that's going to give it pepper taste when this cooked down the right way. So I add a little more black pepper. And I'm going to leave this, let it cook now, down all the way. meat and potatoes and stuff. You want everything to be level in the pot. Because by equate, this is dried out. So everything is level in the water. And cover and I taste the flavor. I add a little more black pepper. Only thing I need to add now is a little salt and probably a little butter. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned when it cook down. I'm gonna add it from now so you guys can see everything that I add to my food and don't get twisted from early. Uncut Chef Willie curry chicken from scratch. Uncut. Watch the whole video, forget the whole concept, the whole procedure. So it look nice and delicious and presentable. Look, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt, not too much guys, it's a little on top. Because I want it to taste the flavor that it's gonna bring out. Yeah, I'm gonna stir it a little bit so all the salt could go in the water. I'm gonna stir it a little bit, make sure everything gets in the water. Level it back down. And my little salt. Perfect. That little salt make it good. So I'm gonna put a little butter. So a little piece of butter. Oiling it already and produce all that, but butter is gonna give it a little flavor. And I think my curry leaves. So I'm gonna add like a little teaspoon of butter on top. Let it go and marinate down it too. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this guys and let it stay. And when that cook down guys, my food's supposed to be ready. I make that go down to gravy size. High speed temperature. When it get lower, I turn it down lower. Stay tuned, Chef Willie, up in the kitchen. See? Spring it own water. I know I'm not throwing nothing like that, guys. Spring it own water and it just be cooking. We just stir it so nothing sticks in the bottom. You know? And just let it stay there for a minute. Cover him back down, make him go and cook down by himself. Spend all that water that is springing, cook and go down to a level. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion and my garlic and my peppers, my brown peppers you see right here. That's it. No more powder seasoning, nothing in it. Now I drop 2 potatoes with my onions, 2 nice size, and chop it up. Make the food look nice and thick and rich and yeah man. 2 regular potatoes man. Now go and bubble out. Now cut up them and clean them, chop them and the seasoning. All I gotta make guys the same thing I had the first time. Look. Put some potato and the seasoning them off. Yeah, that's it. Now go ahead and chop this in a second. I'm gonna check this again. Ooh, see that steam? Ooh. That's so good. Like see yo, I gotta invite you guys over to really taste my food. How much water it spring. Yeah man, no I'm gonna throw it in it. Make it go and cook itself. Till the bone and the meat them tenderize and you can have a better angle. Chef in the kitchen, huh? Oh, you may have beat them. Watch it. Chef clean in the kitchen you want mat. See the chef clean in the kitchen you want mat. Clean in the kitchen you want mat. See the chef clean in the kitchen you want mat. See the chef clean in the kitchen you want. Clean in the kitchen you want. I'm a new dancer, you see? Eh, are they camel on for the girl, let me see? Watch it. Clean in the kitchen you want mat. See? Clean in the kitchen you want mat. See? Let me have the kitchen. We got it pot bag. Yo, look, the vibes, man. I don't know that you just see something. You see nothing yet. Stay true, man. Just stay true. And stay tuned to my thing. Watch it. Yeah, man. Always got all of my just cool, just clean, always washing, always cleaning, you know. Wash what the fork again, touch what the pot, I ain't not going nowhere. So it starts spring up a whole lot of water now. Now you can just box him round, box around everything, box around everything in the water, you see? So it thinks say, see that? You see that, guys? Bad do bad. My friend Bad do bad on Instagram. Bad do bad. Don't forget, we're on Instagram. ISL official. ISL official. ISL official. You see me? Chef Willie in the kitchen. Man have a lot of characters. Don't forget, work for credentials. So look now, guys, it looks so delicious. Like everywhere got it turned and fried. Now it got enough water, so I could just let it dance in it. Dance in it. Dance in it. So now you see that? It's bringing own water. You do everything itself. If you do it right. Watch out now. Drop on my pot cover. Have it to water. Make it go cook down now. Cook down. And that cook down for a little bit. Cook down and make the meat tenderize, and you know, don't get it color. Look, don't get the curry color. The curry color that don't get the curry color and the smell and the taste. The taste not come yet. The curry color come now. Me have to tenderize the meat. So as you can see, Chef Willie food done, well prepared, down to gravy size. I'll just share a little bit out, guys, because I told you when the food draw down, that was it. Go ahead and make me a plate. I go in dip. Chef Willie curry chicken, little white rice. Oh. Chef Willie curry chicken. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chef Willie.